can hear me? Yeah. Volume okay, Aaron?
It's just your face that
He's been a little bitter today. Little bit bitter. Morning Aaron, morning Flo, morning Gummy. Can you hear me okay? Morning Dean. It always confuses me when some of you say it's low and then some of you say it's fine. Turn the echo off. There we go. Turn the volume up. Well, it's about as loud as I'm getting.
What's miscellaneous? Turn that off.
What's miscellaneous? What are you talking about?
Is that the music?
Yes.
You've renamed it.
Because it's not yours, it's mine.
What's the medians? Medians what's at the top?
That's this. The video in the background. It's an MP4.
Might need to be a bit louder.
I'm gonna punch you. Oh, so here we go. Here we go.
We're going to go through all the lows though. 'Cause we should
Oh, it's too fast. See, this is your fault.
It's not even finished yet. It's got 13
It's your fault.
seconds. And it's just gone through those important levels as much as it could go further and look like it go further. Yeah.
Still your fault. When anything happens, it's your fault. Needed to refresh. Why did it do that to me? That's what. No. Well, you. I defo am. One minute.
Previous day low below.
Right, so. So bad. You're all mocking my volume, and I don't know how. I've literally got everything up full. Right, well, I will switch it to Streamlabs from tomorrow, because it's just since it's been on this, everyone's saying it's low.
Why are you looking at me like it's my fault?
Well, did you switch me to OBS?
Yeah.
There you go.
You might turn up.
It's all turned up. Silly zoo.
Just speak a bit louder.
I'm trying. Everything is on loud. Let me just check. Mic. No, it's on full. Advanced audio properties. Also weird echo. I swear to God, right? Turn the echo off. There should be no echo. No echo. Oh, there she blows. Let's see. And we have a winner. Get those W's in the chat.
Where is he? Where is he? 9. Post lost it everywhere. Let me see the win.
Shut up, you. Start arguing on my live. Well then, go mate. That's a lot of W's. Sorry for the mic issue. Listen, you. Chocolate teapot.
Previous day low.
It's coming for it. It's coming for it.
Today, say the day.
Yeah. No. It was just from OBS, wasn't it? You told me not to put the date on. Yes, you did.
Sorry.
Straight through to TP3. It's an absolute peach. We'll take those ones, guys.
Got a gap at the top. 84.
Come on, gap man. Where's this? Where's the gap?
We're on our way now.
84.
Yeah.
So just inside
Day.
top of the daily. Oh no, top of the hourly.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have a white candle. A white candle. It's 2. I'm telling you, there's plenty more. Yeah, so let's keep an eye on it in a minute, just before we start talking updates. Pretty straightforward though. I'll tell you exactly what it does, but not how it works. Right. Let's get some music on. Yes, agreed. Another sell would be nice. Go and take the previous low. Let's get another sell. Need to come below 599.
Or a golden candle.
Not into the hour. Stupid zoo.
No, down.
But then you've still got to get a...
Bearish golden candle. With
Just said,
bullish.
we've got to get... Yeah. We've got to come below that.
Yeah, that'd be nice. That's what I mean for the previous day.
We've just said all this.
Have we?
In the chat and out vocally out of my mouth. And then you...
I'm behind.
Behind?
There's a delay, okay?
Yeah, for you. Yeah. You are the delay.
I am.
New super golden candles are fire. Yes, Ben. So let's have a look. So let's just very quickly. got our alpha zones above here, and we've got our previous day low below. So we've got some.
Marcus Phillips, who was above me, took a big loss.
That's great. Thank you for interrupting me.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I was just wondering why I moved up. I was like, oh, I'm in 7th.
So go on. We'll make it about you for a minute. We'll make it about you for a minute. So Zoo's now up to 7th in the Traderfied Cup. He just wanted me to tell everyone. He did. He did.
I was looking at yourself.
You looked at it and went, "Oh my God!
Yeah.
Look, I'm up to 7." They just can't hear you because you haven't got a mic. Yes, he is up to 7th in the Traderfied Cup. Joking aside, he's absolutely fucking smashing it. If I'm being honest, he's got less hair than when he started.
Oh, that's so true.
I'm not sure he'll do another comp. I'm not sure he will.
Not this year.
Yeah, he's doing absolutely fucking brilliant. Really proud of him. Not that I'll tell him that to his face, but yeah, doing very, very well. Very well. Disciplined most of the time. I keep having to look at him going, you don't trade that account? I slap you if you trade that account.
Yeah.
I will slap you if you trade that account. So who took a hit?
So, it was the guy above me.
Marcus Phipps.
Yeah, he was.
He was at $4.5 grand.
He was.
He was at 4.6.
Lost
Yeah.
2.
He's lost
Two.
almost 2.5.
Yeah.
He's lost $2.5 grand
Big hit.
in the last hour.
Yeah.
Wow.
And,
Man went long. Man went long.
yeah, he did. He got smashed.
It's not easy though, is it? Do you know what I mean?
It's because
Don't
to
envy
try-
it.
If you've got to try, if you've got to go for like, if he's trying to move up, we've got 6,000. You've got to use size. It's the only way. And try and catch a runner. But if it comes back on you, you get fucking murdered.
Yes, well, either way, mate, even just to be in the mix at this point is fucking incredible, really. If there's another one this year, I'll do it.
I reckon there'll be.
There's TradingView one, isn't there?
Yeah, I think I started doing it.
Has it? Seen a notification this morning for it?
Yeah. I'm not doing it on high. Fucking hell. No.
You said first or nothing.
Fucking hell.
I'm only joking.
Oh, Dylan's not come down as well. Have Ami's smashed it up? 11,000. Knocked him out. The fight for top 3.
Oh, the Traderfied Cup is hotting up. Nice though, you've got like $1,000 on 8th there. Oh no, that's it.
10th is almost 1,000.
Solidly in the top 10 though. Solidly in the top 10.
If I could get 4.5, if I could make another 1,000 over the next 2 days, I'll be made up. Not sure yet what's going to happen.
Right, so what are we looking at, guys? Let's be real. We're bearish. We're bearish, we're bearish, we're bearish. Look at our alpha zones. We've got our Q, and we've got our daily. There we go, there it starts. Yeah, we've got our Q and our daily right above us. So these are our areas. Until we've taken this, we're bearish. So these are our areas for a sell. These are the rejections we'll be looking for. We don't want to buy into here. If we get a rejection from here, I'll be very happy. Sell signals around here, because until we're above here, we're still bearish.
Yeah, gap fill reverse.
Gap filled and then up, but we'll see.
Just get into it.
Brent. Okay. See? Just noises. Constant weird noises. Like, all the time. You don't even know you're doing it.
It's relieving stress.
Yeah, I believe that's what you're doing a lot at the minute. Oh, I don't know about that, Ricky. He might. After the stress he's gone through with this Traderify one, though, I'm not sure the Robbins is one that he'll put himself through. He might do.
Definitely at some point I will do one.
He said yes.
Not this year.
Or he might do an ICT and just not turn up.
No, not this year.
It does give cell signals. Oh, just make sure you've updated. Just make sure you've updated. The targets are there. We didn't. Once we launched V3, we did about an hour later. We did a little update because there was an issue with the trade setups, i.e., these targets, entry, stop targets. So I did fix that straight away. So just make sure you are on, that you have added it back. Why is golden candle white? Even though, let me just go through these questions because we have a few. It's called the ICT position reversal. Love it. Why is golden candle white even though market yellow in settings? Market yellow. Marked yellow in settings. Because you have, so let's just go on to here. On your settings, enable golden candles, you have super golden candles on. You can turn super golden candles off. Super golden candles off will turn all your break candles, our golden candles here, when it loads, we'll turn all these break candles back gold. So they will all be gold. The whole point of this, and we put it as default because every person asks me, what settings are you using? Which golden candles do you want to take? So, God, my thing's running slow today.
Yeah.
Really slow.
It's because you're live. Here you go.
Yeah, so they will all be gold. So if you click super golden candle, if you're asking when, so just to backtrack a minute, stop singing. See what I mean? You just making stupid noises next to me. I'm gonna point it out every time now, just so I prove my point.
And people will see how irrationally angry you are.
I know, it's fucking infuriating when I'm on live, and you're just sat there going, dip-doo. So, sorry, let's get back in the room. I've got this Tourette's-ridden crazy person next to me. Not that there's anything wrong with Tourette's, but just there's something going on with him. So yes, in regards to the super golden candles, one of the questions we're always getting asked is why, what golden candles to take. From my point of view, we had a very, very good setup with buy and sell signals, but it was less clear for you guys on which golden candles you'd want to take, so we have integrated that into the indicator. So when you put super golden candle on, they are golden candles that I would expect to run more than your normal scalping of TP1s, TP2s. Now that doesn't mean you don't need to incorporate your other confluences like your AlphaZones, your volume, trend wave, draws on price, sorry? 6, 7. I'm going to slap you. I swear to God, I have to deal with this from a 7-8-year-old all day. Yeah, so that's why the golden candles are white. So can you take can you take the white golden candles? Yes, you can. However, and you can completely turn that off if you want to. No problem at all. This is how I'm trading it. And the question is always, can we have it the same as you? So yeah, if you want the same as me, put super golden candle on. If you don't want it the same as me, turn it off. It's completely your call. Brent, your chart looks very different from yours and using V3 with the settings you posted in the Discord. I haven't posted any settings in the Discord, not for V3. V2.1 I did about a month ago, but these are different settings, and they're default. I haven't changed anything. So if you completely delete the indicator and put V3 on, this is what you'll see, because I have just added it and I haven't changed anything. So it's on Heikin-Ashi candles, i.e. it's not on normal. Super golden candle is automatically on. chop filter is now you're going to finish my sentences as well? I am literally going to lock you out of this room. Chop filter is automatically off, and I have defaulted the trade setups to be the way that we use them on the lives, which is for points and ticks, and we use ATR targets. So yeah. So does that answer your question, Brent? Yeah, Zoo, zip it. This is important.
Sorry.
No, I'm not sending layouts. Sorry, not sending layouts. I love you all, but I am not sending layouts. Every time I send a layout, every time I change my chart, which I change it daily, some days I like to change the wicks, some days I like to change the borders on my candles, and every time I do, somebody says, can you send a layout because they want it to look like mine? No, I'm not doing it because I get asked the same question every single day. So if you want to do it, you can spend the time to do it. I'm not sending layouts. Where is the new super golden candle drop down located in settings? Not seeing it. It is in, I don't know if you can see me, futures. I'm assuming you're on the live. You normally are. It is in just in candle setup. So it is in the golden candle settings, and you got golden candle mode off or super golden candles there. Very simple. I have trimmed these settings down, even though they still look quite a lot. This is just the EMAs. Your ATR, the real price dots, if you use them, trend wave, your volume bubbles, risk table is a chunk of it. Thank you for the heads up. At least he's adding some value rather than being a chunnering goat. It's called you the goat.
Chunnering goat. Not sure that's the same thing.
Well, it's not, but I was just trying to get out of it. It's definitely not the same thing. Sorry? Media trained. Media trained. You were told yesterday that boy needs media training. Right, sell signal with 19 seconds to go, guys. Are we going to come down and take that low? Ooh, it's not there. It's gone again. And there is our sell signal. Yeah, if it tags me in, I'm going to take it to answer your question. It does just check the update the indicator again, Chris, because I definitely updated it before, and the super golden candles are given targets now. They weren't before, but the update was only probably an hour ago, an hour and a half ago, something like that. Let's go.
Yes.
Beautiful. GG, well done.
That's 10 points. Fuck you.
That's me BE, and that's me out. There we go. Beautiful, TP2. Let's fucking go, people. Let's go. 2 for 2. 2 beautiful sell signals. Well done.
365.
3665.
Yeah. So closer to 6 now. There's only 100 between us. But I need that little bump.
Let's get some likes on the stream, guys. Let's get some likes on the stream. Get some W's in the chat. Zoo is unhinged and I'm all for it. There we That's why he's my best mate. He's not right in the head. Oh, there's a lot of W's. I'm loving this. Aaron, Macanachi, Gummy, Dean, Jay, Flo, Ricky, Peter. Kyle, you should, if you've not updated the indicator in the last hour and a half or so, after V3 there was a second update about an hour or so later. So just check that that's been done. Done for the day. Just going to take golden candle if we otherwise good day. Yep, I agree. Look, one of the things with the golden candles, and the reason we've been working so hard on really refining the logic, secret logic, on why we take certain ones, is because the golden candles allow you to get in a little bit earlier. Oh, Ben, don't trade when you got the kids around. Like, that is, me and Zoo have been through. We've got little ones as well. Just enjoy YouTube and just don't do it. Just don't do it.
There is never a time to feel like a worse father when you're trading with your kids around. Go away!
Yeah. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. 1 minute. As it's going the wrong way.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's hard. It's so hard. I said that, didn't I? I said I'm never doing it again, because every time I've done it, like I'm short with them, and I don't mean to be. I'll never be short with them ever. Yeah, it makes me a terrible person. And my kids are bad. I'm just a bad dad when it's trading and kids. It's not happening. YouTube's fine though. FOMO, fair enough though. I get it.
I don't care. Shout at my wife. She can get it. Kids.
She shouts at you.
I know. I am when it comes to being around them. When I'm trading, I am the worst version of me. I'm alright when I'm around you. I think 'cause you're doing it as well. You understand?
Yeah, I can trade around you. I can't trade around Laura and the kids.
No.
Worst days I have is when kids hanging off me trading and making Lego is a massive no-go. Yeah, you definitely can't do Lego while trading. That's like, Lego takes some concentration as well. I do like Lego though. I wouldn't do Lego on my own, but I do like doing Lego with the kids. I love doing Lego with the kids.
We got Meccano. Old school.
God, I haven't had Meccano with kids for years.
Yeah, it was out, you know, so like little...
Kyle, 1 minute, NQ1, buddy. Is it little Meccano or big Meccano?
Little Meccano, so like a car or a thing.
I've got something else for you.
What?
Thomas will love it. And it's for when you go. So it's not for here.
Oh.
Well, you would have when you would have done it, but if you're going to go... I need to switch to Beat Zoo. I've got an arm. That'll do. That'll do.
My laugh at this. No switch to Beat Zoo.
No, with the golden candle, I'm not waiting for the traffic lights to align. The golden candle, the super golden candles, are not anything to do with the trend traffic lights in that sense whatsoever. I'm not looking for them with that. The traffic lights are, as they are called, trend traffic lights, and that's what they were always meant to be, was that we would trade them with the trend signals, the buy and sell. So we tried to sort of cut that out a little bit to give trend traffic lights for that, and we've filtered down the golden candles to super golden candles. We do love a word, don't we?
Don't be wrong, if you get 3 trend traffic lights and a super golden candle.
Oh, yeah, absolutely, yeah. If you get a super golden candle and 3 trend traffic lights, am I taking it? Goddamn right, I'm taking it. Yeah. But yes, I'm not specifically looking for a golden candle. So we are getting our 10 o'clock open. Let's come back to that now. Still haven't hit our previous day low.
No, it's playing with us. We also didn't quite fill. No, I don't want to say it.
What were you going to say?
Didn't quite fill the gap.
Didn't fill the gap.
Not quite,
Gap Manzu.
but enough.
Yes, I will show you the settings in 1 minute, Kyle. Absolutely. Just while this is playing out, I'm just going to keep an eye on it before I do.
Yeah.
I'm always too distracted.
Looks like it's just gonna close above. Yeah.
Yeah, it does. We might get another candle yet.
Bullish volume.
Not yet. So settings, let's have a look.
Up we go.
No, Ziwan, do not hold me to saying no. No, no, no. So if a golden candle appear, you would definitely take it, yeah. Don't you NLP me by adding yeah at the end of the sentence. That's not what I said. What I said was they are higher probability. So I like and the reason we like the super golden candles because they have a higher probability of going further when they play out is one of the reasons. That does not negate all the other confluences that we look for when taking a trade. Yes, it removes the trend traffic lights as being one of them for a confluence, but in regards to your alpha zones, your bias, volume, all these other things that you might include, or reasons why you would look and say, actually, I don't like the look at this, choppy price action, all these other things, no, they are all still in play. So it does not mean every single golden candle, super golden candle that appears, I would take it. But yes, to answer the other half of your question, technically, we do definitely have one more entry method. Yes, that is the point of it, is to give you a more assured entry method to know, rather than having 20 golden candles over a period of 2 hours. You're going to have some more higher probability ones that you can then make some judgment on. I hope that answers your question. In regards to settings, Kyle, not a problem, Zion. Yeah, so normal candles is they're all default, but normal candles is off. We've got your golden candles is on. You got your super golden candle, and then everything else is just standard. Trade setup it's already on there.
So we failed to take the low.
Everything's set up the same. There's no changes.
We'd expect someone to revisit the daily now.
Yeah, so we failed to take that. We've made a higher low, and then it's come up and again. We just look again here. It's not just one higher low. It did come back up and then tried to push down again. Failed again. So that's 1, 2, 3. So if we push above this hour, we could get a return to the daily. How are we all anyway? Is everyone good? Very welcome, Kyle. Anyone else got any questions, please ask. As you will see, I am very happy to answer any of them. But let's just have a scan. Let's just go over. So you look at I was coming up before. Where's New York? Where's New York? Yeah, so these all would have been, these white candles would have been, they are your sort of generic golden candles that are whited out because they don't fit with our super golden candle theorem. So we've had 2 winning sell signals to start the day with. Super QC. I'm assuming you mean the super golden candles. Yeah, they are still for the 1 to 5 minute chart. Yeah. Getting a push and close above. Could be on the verge of a signal, guys. We're above the hourly. Trend wave has gone bullish.
It's a really uncertain position to be in.
I'm not taking long into there. Neither are you.
Oh no, I'm not.
I'm saying it out loud.
Yeah, no, I'm not taking it.
Yes, repeatedly. Repeatedly.
What?
Nothing.
Oh. There it is.
No, I'm not taking longs into here. It's still, as it stands, still a valid buy signal. And there's plenty of room to go up to the daily in the queue. Just right now, overall for this session, we are bearish. So you need to be very conscious of that if you're going to take the sell, if you're going to take the buy signal. Trade invalidated. Oh, look at that. It disappeared.
Like magic.
Like disappeared like magic. Yeah, I've turned that 4 hour off because that 4 hour is, if I'm being honest, that's not the kind of 4 hour. It's not a normal 4 hour candle. So I completely appreciate what you're saying in that it's entering a 4 hour alpha zone. If it had been a standard 4 hour alpha zone, as in a normal open 4 hour of a candle, yes, but it's not, because that big massive 4 hour was led by that news candle. Whatever it was, it's just not normal, whether it was news or not, but it's not a normal candle. Okay, so we failed to take this high.
Failed to take the low. Failed to take the high.
Remember, guys, this is what we were getting yesterday. We are still choppy here, even though we're coming up and down, so be cautious. We are directly into an hour.
You meant to take one. Oh no, it was two.
Two. It's two. 9 knives. Well done.
Show me the trades. Controlled losses.
Good work. Some more wins in the Discord. Yes.
Everyone in the top 10 is now 3,000.
Well, this is always going to pick up at this time of day. Now New York's open. So just got to keep an eye on it.
It's just 2 more days, and I think over 2 more days it's at least $1,000. I think everyone's going to put on. So
Yeah.
I think it's at least a 4,500 finish to be in the top 10.
Yeah, but you're also going to lose some of them.
Well, that's true. We've got Swan.
You're going to lose probably 2 or 3 of them.
Yeah. The fight for first place is going to be blinded over the next 2 days. It's so close now.
Thanks, Flo. Appreciate the good feedback on the update. Yes, it is Slap Shop Central. Kyle, what are the white candles? The white candles are your golden candles. They are golden candles. But as I showed you before in the settings, we've got super golden candles only on. So if you turn that off, it will show you all the golden candles, which are your break candles. Every time that high and low is taken, you get a golden candle. We've introduced super golden candle on the basis that people wanted to know, rather than taking them all and having to look at the market on all of them, is to reduce down to what we believe are more high probability ones and ones that are more likely to run a bit further than your TP1 when they win. Oh wow.
Not sure if I want it there. I think it's good, but putting another low. Invalidate it.
I'd rather it invalidate it, but it is a super golden candle. No, it failed to take that high. I'm not going long.
Mess around in this range.
Not going long. I don't think it's going to go long. And if it is, it's one of them. Horrible price action.
There we go. Invalidated. Woo!
Invalidated. FOMC is later. I think it's at 2:30 or something, or
Bit longer, yeah. It is 2 p.m.
2 p.m. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So it's not for another few hours yet.
We've got crude oil in 30 minutes, but we're not trading crude, so we've got another 4 hours until FOMC.
Sorry to do not to apologise. I said please ask your questions. It's the whole point. It makes it easier being on here and then being able to answer them directly straight away for you. For the risk table, if I have both the super golden candle and the buy and sell signals turned on, will the risk table show either of risk for it?
Not yet.
Not yet. So I will show you. Great question though, because all these questions other people are going to have as well, mate. So got to sound like a school teacher.
Look like one,
Yeah. That's rich. In your geography coat. So if you go to the risk calculator settings and you got trade setup source, and then you got golden candle or buy and sell signals. So that's what it'll be on. There will be an update in the new year.
Yeah, it's definitely our next focus.
One of our next things is to update this so that that they will both be there, irrespective. So the last golden candle or super golden candle and the last buy and sell signal will have their own line with pricing, risk amount, profit amount, etc. But we'll come back to you on that. Kyle, so you're looking for a golden or super golden at the price, and the price action to be above or below the wave, depending on long, short, and then confidently enter. Well, it's not quite as simple as that, because obviously that. Well, we wouldn't have. It didn't go in, but I wouldn't have took it anyway. Yeah, there are other factors to look at there. It's not mechanical. That's what I will say, Kyle. I'm not trying to make this mechanical to say if you get X, Y, and Z, then you take the trade.
Now there's another one. When you get two.
No.
It's just stuck in this fucking range. There we go. Fine. Come back out.
So the new update, super golden candles are now yellow and the old golden candles are now white. If you've got the super golden candle drop down on, which is on default, then yes. If you turn it off, then they'll all be gold. If you just want to take the ones that I'll be taking, pending other factors. Yeah, that doesn't mean I'll never take a white one. I'm not going to lie. I'm just trying to make it easier for people to say they can see 25 golden candles and they don't know which ones to take. Well, actually, reduces it down to more high probability ones, and then when other factors align, then they're the ones you want to take. Second golden candle to the bullish side.
Yeah. That trade up, didn't we? Yours did. I did mine move.
Is it lagging?
Yeah, mine has been a bit slow, mine. But yours has worked, so that's all that matters.
Just check that chart's been updated. If you're using more than one. That's on the chart, yeah. Indicator. About the risk table, would it be too hard to also include the last top bottom to calculate the stop loss? I noticed it worked well with golden candle. When you say last top bottom, do you mean you're talking about previous highs and lows?
Yeah, it's nothing.
Is that what it was? No, it probably wouldn't be too hard. I'll have a look at it. I am always open to suggestions, guys. So I'm happy for any suggestions. Whether we use them all or not is a different thing. But we always stick them in the hat and have a chat about them, don't we? See whether they can add value and how long it's going to take to do, etc.
So the idea of the super golden candles is when they go like we get TP1, TP2, TP3. It's not they're any better. Like they're just more. Well, they are better in the sense that they're more likely to hit the right targets when you do get it.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
So I said if they're successful.
Yeah.
When they're successful, they're the ones that we expect to go, not just a scalp at TP1. We expect them to be TP2s, TP3s, pending other factors.
And here's a great example of not taking it.
That's why we didn't take that one. We've come up, we've failed to take the high here. We've come up again, failed to take that high. We've had a golden candle, still not took that high. So yes, super golden candles are better, but we have to take market conditions into context. And right now, everything here is saying, if we were rejecting out of here and coming down, yes. If we'd have broke through all this area and we had room above, would we be looking at a golden candle then? Yes. But right now, we're failing to take highs.
Inside this range.
Inside a choppy period We're still very bearish for this period. Let's not take chances. We've just had 2 winning trades. Why would we be taking ones that aren't as that don't look as clean? Why are we taking ones that aren't in the direction of what we're looking for? Bouncy VWAP.
It's not over yet though.
No.
Might be coming back for a second go.
It might still go on and win. It's just it's just when it's not, they're not my ideal trade.
The sideways.
Yeah. Yeah, it does wick inside the previous 4 hour. You are absolutely right, but I turned it off because messing with my chart. Well, it was. Now it's the previous. I can leave it on, but it was just massive there.
But it's definitely a factor.
But you are absolutely right, Aaron. This area here. Clearly, it's bouncing up in there, and we're getting rejection out of that. So it's definitely a factor.
There we go. It's moving on up.
There we go. It's CP1.
So we would expect these TP2 and 3 now.
I've just realised. I've just seen your message flow. Yeah. I understand what you're saying now. He's talking about the highs and lows to calculate the highs and lows for the stop loss. Because he's seen it working well on gold.
What, take the actual high and low, not the candle?
As the stop loss.
Well, I was going to talk to you about that.
Yeah. Which makes perfect sense.
Because I do use them as well.
Yeah.
I know we set it to the candle high.
Makes perfect sense on gold though.
Yeah.
Maybe a similar thing with oil as well.
It depends on market conditions as well.
Yeah.
If things are a little bit more, I'll use the. That's why they're on there. Highs and lows.
Yep. It's a real valid point, Flo. We and it's one that, like, if I wasn't taking all these trades live, one of the things, there are times when I'd go, well, do you know what? I'm going behind here, but maybe say I've got a sell signal here, but actually I'm expecting to take these lows here, but I've got a high here, so I've just realised that we're not on the same screen. Yeah. So I'm gonna go behind. Well, these are the wrong way, but either way, looking at lows, I might pop myself behind a low if it's near it, rather than waiting for rather than keeping it really, really tight, especially on gold and oil. No, I don't trade them as such anymore. I've kept very regimented on this, but I totally agree with what you mean. It's something we'll look at, definitely. Let's stick it on, shall we? Yeah? Mm-hmm. Yeah, just mumbling again? Just mumbling?
Passing the time.
I'm going to put an earphone in the other ear as well, just so I can't hear you. Special zoo. You're very welcome, Flo. That's what we're here for, mate. Right, so what are we looking for now? We're stuck in this, as we said, we're stuck in this 4 hour here, below our daily, below our AlphaZone, our Q. Sideways price action.
This has been the bottom of the range since Friday. Friday's low was 582.
to the club. 582. They all 582.
Well, around that.
Wow. So around that wick.
Yeah. And we bounced back up again. Finished at around, hit sort of 7:30 highs.
So we're getting a golden candle. White one. That even if it was gold, we wouldn't be taking. Why would we not be taking it?
Because you're boring.
Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. You just made me jump. There we go. Let me just put this there. Do you say 'cause I'm boring?
Oh, here we go. Bearish volume.
I think he's got one, Chris. It's just not one he can bring to work.
What have we got?
A ball gag.
Better than your mum's.
Fair play. I asked for that. But you bought it for her instead.
See if you can get that while he's watching.
No, you're just you see, media trained. Media trained. Let's see if we can get below this hour in the 4 hour. Thank you for the likes, guys. That is very much appreciated. Aaron, you're right. We're only short and below that 4 hour here. You are absolutely right, mate.
You're horrible.
What? I'm not joking. By the I can't even think of the name of it. The receipt.
Well, it's gone.
It wasn't. It's only like that big. Like a wolf one. Yeah, the wolf spiders. They're like.
Oh, the ones that run around the house?
Yeah. You know the ones with big hairy legs.
House spider.
Yeah, yeah. Tari, all you got to do is update. If you go to on here, there should be update. Otherwise, just refresh. Just take it off, put it back, put 2.1 back on, and it will be there.
Okay, now.
It's definitely yours. What's up? It's...
Is this
Hi, No Love Soma. Welcome to AlphaZones. Hope you are well.
the first hour at 10 a.m. for how long?
It's been
Like,
horrendous. First hour at 10 a.m. has been shocking. I'm not complaining. We had two beautiful trades to start the day with.
Yeah, it's true.
Say hello to him. Not that you listen to anything I say.
More let you know.
I know, yeah.
So when you're on the mobile.
Are you trading, Soma? Are you trading? Are you trading Nasdaq with us? We've had two beautiful trades. Look at these sell signals. Boom!
Sitting on hands.
Anytime, Tara.
Sitting on
Anytime. You're here before work every day. You're one of my favourites. Getting here before work, trading with us. Amrit, where have you been? You've been travelling, haven't you? I'm sure you said you were going on a plane.
It's a long plane. Around the world.
You go to the other one? Which one? Where it gives you the list of the...
Just slow down. Okay, the king.
Shorts give a kick though.
Yeah.
I've not had that on this yet.
Oh yeah.
Nope.
Yeah, let's do it with that. Just updating it, by the way. You're looking at normal short speeds now, 19%.
Okay. You notice though, that's
Yeah, no.
that's down, which is good. I mean, it's actually more than that because this is at 191 here,
Oh yeah.
and that is better than the whole stream on the last week.
Yeah. Make it up.
Yeah. Right then. So what are we looking for? As we said, we're not comfortable with this. Proven. We stayed out. Stayed out here and it reversed. Yes, you would have got this one.
We have to take the previous day high.
When?
Earlier.
It's the kind of information I should have seen. Look at these wicks again though. 10 a.m. candle. Wick at the top, wick at the bottom, wick at the top, wick at the bottom. Hate them. Well, I hope you're well, Amrit. Welcome back. It's nice to see you. Not into the hour.
I know.
No, well, I'm just telling. Do you?
Just
Do
moving.
you?
I'm moving.
Do you? You see? Noises. Noises. So we are getting a bearish super golden candle straight into our 1 hour and 4 hour. Before you even write it, Aaron, yes, this is a no trade for me too.
I fucking love it though. But it is a no trade.
Yeah, it is.
Not really.
What I'd like to see is it a couple more and then a sell signal, and then I'll take the sell. Oh, where does that close? It's going to invalidate it anyway.
Bouncing in this range. I think we need to see a new hour. Often when it's like this, we just need to see a new hour.
See, look, you got to be. No, it's going straight through as well. We played it safe. We played it safe. And if you have gone in, you should be BE.
Boom.
Boom.
Oh, love that one.
I did not take, to be clear.
TP1, TP2. Get ready for TP3.
Get ready for your sell signal.
TP3. Fucking hell. Ah, that was a beauty. Just in the wrong position.
It's not worth the risk.
Fucking flying. Water. Ah. It's a good example of it though, initiating the move. Here's the sell signal.
So is it going to come down? So we're getting a sell signal. We are below our hour and 4 hour now. Confirmation of a sell signal. It's got TP1 at 581, TP2 at 570, and then we've got previous day low right by our... Get that pushed down. Come on, girl.
Over 560.
I think it's got a little bit more in it. I'm taking that. There we go. GG. WWWWW. Yes. Dean, Ian, Ricky, Gummy, Zion, Mark, Aaron, Macanachi. Alan, Peter, come on. This is what we're talking about. 3 for 3. It was a beautiful trade, that.
The computer keeps crashing. I managed to get break even, but it's crap. It's not a good time. But to be fair, I'm nowhere near over risking on this, so it doesn't really matter.
Nearly there. What have you gone for? 560?
Gone for previous day low.
I bottled out a previous day low.
To be fair,
I snapped my profit and went.
if I've just reduced my risk, that's why I've gone for a bigger target. Otherwise, I'd have been going for TP2 and just taking where you just take a profit. I don't like targeting the lows because a lot of the time you'll get to the lows and it'll reverse on you and you'll be frustrated. So it's only if like today I've done 550 today. There's no point in over risking now.
No,
so
just
just a small trade. That'll give me sort of another 50 on the day, and then to be fair, I'm going to get taken out, so it's coming back.
You would break even anyway, won't you? So you don't lose anything.
Yeah, in between the computer fucking going haywire.
Well, you're lucky then.
I know, yeah. They're going right.
Don't need that shit.
Yeah, yeah. There's bullish volume. Oh, that's 3 for 3 today. It's nice to be back on it again.
Rodrigo, well done. 3 for 3. I didn't trade yesterday.
That was a fucking horrible day yesterday.
I seen it. It was fucking terrible.
Oh. Every time it moved up, it moved down. Every time it moved up, it moved up. Every time it moved down, it went up. Like it just went. It was all right on the higher time frames, but it was just. Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Come on there.
Order filled.
Well done, Zoo. GG.
Thank you.
Guys, no system, including ours, will ever get us away from losses.
No, otherwise it just.
The point is, the main point is that we make our lost days as small as possible and we maximize our winning days.
Yeah.
And that's by knowing when not to trade.
Oh. Computer. The computer's telling me, stop trading now.
Vicky, it's easy to trust probabilities when you win all the time.
Yeah.
It is. So now we wait. he says that to all the girls on the corner. He's a sure thing.
Guaranteed.
That's funny, Chris. That's funny.
To come that close to previous day low and not take it is...
Well, we see this often, though. That's one of the reasons I wasn't aiming for previous day low, because...
Especially because we took the previous day high.
Well, that's what... If you hadn't said that to me, I would have happily been going previous day low.
Yeah.
But when you took previous day high,
I'd be surprised if we don't come get it, but...
you said that last time and it didn't.
I know.
It came about a little zoo widgie from it and then just went straight the other direction.
That's it. Media trading. That's not if you don't start saying those things.
Well then, Aaron, thanks, buddy. See you tomorrow, mate.
Take care, man.
It was so close. Yeah, but last week we had the same, didn't we? It came about 10 points, 20 points from it, something. And just completely fucking reversed them the other way and went bullish.
All for what is what.
Oh, it's just... It's madness when you think of it like that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like, the probability is if it's took the high, that it shouldn't take the low. And then it goes all the way to it. It's just like... Right, so that's 3 for 3. It's a solid Wednesday. We should all pack in now.
100%.
So what would we be looking for? So this now, the 4 hour, 1 hour alpha zone here, this would be one of our areas that we would look for a sell from. This is going to be an area of resistance. If we come up, one thing we've got to be careful of is obviously we've taken this. So would we be looking for a sell? Ooh.
Oh. Ah.
Oh. Answering my own question. So we're getting a golden candle. Let's see if we get a golden candle. No, it depends what it is, Peter. I went TP2 on that one, just under. We're TP2 on the other one. For golden candles, I'm definitely trying to get more than TP1. So we have had a golden candle, but we have just taken some levels here. We still do have previous day low below us, but we have taken the previous day high.
Best thing that can happen here is we invalidate this. If it's gonna go, come back the other way, come on. Might just double tap the bottom, but
Interesting. Nope, stay well away. Stay well away. That's not what we're looking for in a golden candle.
Invalidated anyway.
Come be bear in the chat.
What?
Gonna start looking at houses to buy after this new update.
It's not worth the hassle.
Just so you know, Peter, I think you came on a little bit later. Just to by your question, I think you probably did miss what I said earlier. We were talking about taking profits. The point of the new golden candles, the super golden candles filter, which will turn golden candles either white or gold, depending on whether they match the criteria, was on the basis that these would be, yes, you need to look at your other confluences, but these would be ones that we would look to take further, TP2, TP3 and onwards. So in regards to taking profits, yes, there may be base hits and that on trend signals if we're looking to get in and out and scalp, but we're trying to give it a different entry method with the golden candles, the super golden candles, to give you that bigger trades if you want.
Yeah, they were never meant for quick.
What, the golden candles were never meant for quick trades anyway? No. It's just that there's so many of them, isn't there? So that was the point. It was like, if we can... So we've come down. We've failed to take the previous day low. We've created a higher low, and now we're coming back into our 1 hour and our 4 hour.
Absolutely fucking run now.
Which
All the way back up.
I was going to say, I would expect now that we smashed through this.
I can't believe we've come all the way down that close previous day low. The amount, how many people do you think didn't hit? It would just be.
We've been sat BE'd.
Yeah. When they got that close to their take profit.
How many people weren't clever enough to go BE
True.
and have just been done?
Yeah. So open with the sleep board. Traded.
Any below that moved?
Really no.
Go to the next page to see if anyone's took a jump or a plummet. I like to see where I'd be. The end.
Fucking hell, that Marcus Phipps has lost. He's gone from 4,500
4.5 grand. He's now level, break even.
back to zero. Wow.
That shows you, doesn't it?
It's tilt pressure.
So he was
Seven.
7th place on the lead. I feel for him. Fucking hell. Oh, I wouldn't want to be him right now. I know that feeling. It's a horrible feeling.
Kicking his cat.
Yeah, his cat is getting it. His cat is getting it. 4.5 grand. 7th on the trade cut, back to break even. Oh, I'm not even laughing at that. That's not funny. You know what I mean? It's a horrible feeling.
It's a lot fun.
We've all been there.
Yeah, it's not nice.
Right, come on, Nasdaq. Let's get it up here. See if we can get a. I should probably change that phrase.
Yeah. Let's get it up, yeah.
I bet the candle.
Yeah, that's even nice.
Oh, get a wick? No. Is anything else?
Quick.
Just a quick wick? Yeah.
Up, yeah.
Oh, fucking hell.
Getting as bad as me.
Oh, no. It's getting too comfortable on the lives. That's what's happening.
Copyright infringement will be coming soon.
as I said, it is a great rejection point. We are bearish. However, oh, I hate when it does this.
It's going to go and get it before you can get a chance, so don't worry about it.
Come find me. I can't wait to finish all the music for the live. I'm going to press play on there. Play 'em. I have been making music. I've been making music just for you. Proper music. Just so we can have something funky to listen to on the lives.
It's going to be on Spotify as well.
Will I put it on Spotify?
Yeah. And then they can have the playlist, go listen to it.
Yeah, want to get I still get copyright pulled if I do that though, won't I? Even though it's mine.
I
Don't know, I'll have to check on that. But yeah, it is going on Spotify.
No, you can set the music as when you upload it. Other people can use it. That's why on Spotify there's ones that are YouTube friendly.
Yeah, but I don't want it to be. But somebody could just have it. It's mine.
Well then, I don't know how you're going to tell YouTube that you created the music.
I just won't put it on Spotify then.
Or, you don't put it on the live.
If it, no, I will. I made it for the live.
Make it copyright. Let people use it on their lives. Here we go. I liked that bearish doji. It was a perfect bearish doji.
It was.
Of the
Seeing the real close right at the tip.
bearish volume out of the 4 hour. Couldn't close more bearish. It's beautiful.
It's a perfect area.
Yeah.
It's gone up, resisted from there, come back down. Now it's taken previous day low.
It has indeed.
Like Marvin Gaye. It's not quite like Marvin Gaye, although I feel like there was an undertone there. On a sell signal. Nope. That's your old.
It is my old.
That's your old alert.
It is my old alert.
No sell signal.
No sell signal.
Why would we not take a sell signal here? The one we know we've got to be very, very careful. That is previous day low, New York low. That is a
High liquidity area.
high area of liquidity. Oh, there's your signal. Let me check it.
That's right. Anything is we've taken the high and then we've come and taken the low. So, which is a good thing, but I think after 3 wins, it's like you skip it. Do you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
there's just no need. You've got 3 wins in profit. There is no need for this trade. What is the draw? The reason why you think it's
Why is price going down? What's the draw on price? You're absolutely right. What is the draw on price? Space. Black space.
There's a lot of space.
Do you know what? I'm going to say it. I'm not taking it. Not taking it.
It's going to invalidate it.
Right, it is going to invalidate it.
much rather a golden candle right now to the upside after sweeping those lows, but we are very bearish. Yeah, there he goes. Validated.
Gonna get a super candle. Takes away the oh well, if it comes back down,
Yeah.
it's just gone.
Yeah.
Move's gone. Forget about it.
Wait a minute.
3 wins, guys. 3 wins. We take high probability trades. See what it does. I'll give it a little bit more time. I'm not going to stay on late today. I've had 3 late nights.
Working on this.
Getting that new golden candle. I've not shut that laptop before 1 AM since Sunday. But I'm very happy with it now. Very happy with it.
Bullish volume on all those 3 candles.
It's just a great example, guys, when we talk about our important levels. Let me just jump in.
You want out? Might just sweep the lows, let's see. What's it gonna do? Oh.
Now we might go. And it might sweep and return.
You know it is. You know it is.
Yeah, our important levels here, guys. We've got. Well, it's taken this one, but you've got, what is it, New York and previous day?
Yeah.
I think it is. I need to remind me when we're doing important levels, the movement of the
Spacing out.
spacing on the text drives me insane.
Yeah.
Thanks, Dean. Hey, look, selfishly, mate, and I mean this selfishly, but the improvements are there because there are improvements we wanted to make for ourselves as well. But obviously, you guys have spent your money with us, and that's not lost on us ever. So anytime we can make an improvement for what we're doing, then we feed it out, guys, as we always have done. Yeah, this is the reason why, because we took these levels here, and you can often get this area where it can just end up going back straight away. I've got to be careful what I'm drawing here. It's about to go badly wrong. Then we fucking tackle the balls on me.
It's looking good, but
Well, we won't be getting anything yet. There'll be no sell signal. There'll be no bearish golden candle, because we've had them. Have a look on the 5 minute.
Some people would have taken a loss on that. We inversed the fair value gap up previous day low on 30 seconds. A lot of people like that.
Check your leaderboard.
Just added it.
Ooh. Zoo said free dinner warranty if not satisfied.
Three what?
Free dinner warranty.
You can come have a Costco hot dog.
Costco hot dog.
Yeah.
You do love a sausage.
Ah! Only the big ones.
Touche.
Mm-hmm.
Go hard or go home and all that.
Exactly.
Oh, I do like a nice roast dinner.
Your mum makes nice roast dinner.
See, always has to lower the tone. Media trained. I'm telling myself. I'm telling myself. So if we're going to get something now, we get a little push up into this new hour. And then if we're going to carry on down, we are still bearish, guys. Right now, we're looking for sells. That's our high probability. And this would be an area to get a sell from. Would it not, Zoo?
Yeah. Bullish candle.
You said that like you were asleep then, like I asked you a really stupid question and just interrupted your day.
I was deep in thought.
No movement.
Oh, the divergence. I'm like watching.
And then no movement.
Oh, no movement over here. Sometimes it's a little bit long, but I don't think so, no.
It's fascinating though, isn't it?
I think some people are holding, watching for mistakes. Khalid is though. Khalid's won a trade. He's up at 1500 again.
They both have. So's Dylan.
Yeah.
He's up to 13, he was
Yeah,
on 11.
they're fighting now. That
The
top three.
The battle for top spots in the Traderfy Cup is on.
I'm not surprised. 200,000.
It's a 200 grand win.
200 grand first place. I go to sleep thinking about, should have just go for it. Should have just.
There's a lot of luck involved in that as well, though.
Well, you've got to hold full port, and you've got to hold, like, for example, this morning when I was looking at the Q gap fill, it's like, I've got a full port hold for the Q gap fills, things like that. No, it does it, but it's that one time it doesn't, and you take.
And you're out.
Well, look at Marcus Phillips. He's just gone from 4.5 grand.
Well, he's gone full tilt
Yeah,
and
exactly.
full port, and then he's out.
And don't get me wrong, you're never going to win. You can't win not doing it. So you've got to accept what you're playing for. If you're playing for first place, top 3 position, then you're going to have to. You've got to risk big and go for it.
It's not the sensible move, though.
I've just tried to take a long.
He's done the right thing. That's why you're in the top 8.
$60 from 6th. I am liking us reversing from here. start giving us bullish golden candles.
Yeah.
And then maybe a return to the daily. Just depends. We've been so sideways recently, you kind of expect to get the same thing today. And today might be the day that it just fucking runs.
Yep.
But, yeah. We can get up there short back from the daily and Q would be good position.
Can't tell you that, Chris. Bezabarani, how are we doing? Are you well? Thank you for joining. Welcome to the chat. Are you trading Nasdaq with us? Chris, I'd love to tell you, and I would love to be transparent,
Uses many things.
but it's a list of things, but unfortunately we get copycats and we've got to protect our IP, so I can't give people the reasons why. I know, I'm sorry, but people try and copy it, and then unfortunately we end up with 2 years worth of work all goes down the pan, so we've just got to protect it. So it works, it's there for you. We'll give you as much information to try and help as we can.
It's easy to copy, it's hard to create.
Yeah. Yeah, he's only asking futures. It's just, and to be fair, there's a lot of it. Like the golden candles, you can talk about. Like, there's bits about how the golden candles are formed. It's not rocket science, you know what I mean? Those bits. But when you start talking about everything else that goes with them, and then the super golden candles, there's an awful lot of work that goes into the back end of that, on understanding how they're formed and why certain ones show. So it's a fair question. I don't mind people asking, but it's just we give too much away then.
We're no longer going to educate on that side of it.
Yeah, if we give too much away, then we may as well just shut up shop and just trade ourselves. And we like doing what we do. Right, so we are now above our hour. We've closed convincingly above.
I want a bearish candle, bearish golden candle, fail to take the low, come back up, bullish golden candle, fucking run for the daily. In that order. Not now. Just slow down. Wait for this.
What I don't want is what we're going to get.
Buy signal.
Yep. Yep. It depends where the target is. No chance now.
3's out.
And the 4.
And 4.
I put the 4 back on because the other 4, the other 4 went quite small.
Yeah, you're right.
Because it's not shaded in anymore. There she is.
We could easily run with this after taking previous day low, but it's a no. It's a no.
No, after 3 wins, I'm not taking that sell, that buy signal. Choice is yours. I'll give you my reasons. We've got a 4 hour here. This is also our previous hour. This exact line here. You can reject right out of here. It could tap this and come straight back. If I was trying to chase for a trade, I might look at it, because we could quite easily come up here and push for the daily now that we've taken previous day low. However, because we did take previous day high, but there's too much rejection here for me to be taking a risk after 3 wins. So, absolutely not. That's my logic. What I want is this to come down and give me a bearish golden candle.
When does it fail to take the low before coming in again with buys? I mean, you do.
Although I'm saying that, I wouldn't take a bearish golden candle straight into that 1 hour anyway.
No, but I'd like to see it attempt to come back, fail, then come back bullish again. But you do get V-shaped recoveries where they just fucking go, but we've taken the previous hour low.
It's a very valid point. We did take the previous hour low, and our hour stepped down from here to here, so we're still bearish as it stands. Could this hit? Absolutely it could. But I'm not going to take riskier ones after 3 wins. Anyone in? After everything I just said?
Here it goes. Go on.
Push through. Where's the previous hour highs? Right up there anyway. Cheers, Peter. Thanks for coming on, mate. See you next time. I'm gonna have a sore thumb from a refresh button later on this. So we like transfer deadline day for me, where I'm just refreshing X.
Friday's going to be horrible. Possibly might on Friday do what I need to do and then just accept the fate of whatever outcome happens.
You
I know.
you just accept the fate.
No, on Friday, trade, get to what I'm comfortable with, and then just because if I refresh it and something up, it encourages me to then go on in it and trade. I'm not sure that's a good idea.
No, it's not. However, ignoring it,
It's also not a good idea.
because what if you sat there,
At 10th.
or you sat there with $150
Yeah, true.
from the difference between
Yeah, it's true.
$2,000 and $8,000?
Yeah, it's true. Can't ignore it.
You can't ignore it. You just got to be really vigilant and talk. Don't go silent. If you go in on yourself, you'll be screwed. Oh, I think I'll grab TP1. Grab TP1. There it goes. Yes, Chris, I knew you'd take it. I knew you'd take it.
There we go.
TP2. Oh no, it's going to smash through now. Well, indeed, good win. There's nothing wrong with the trade. It's just I had a little bit more caution because it wasn't a perfect setup for me. It's a good buy signal.
After taking the previous day low, I just like a little pullback first and then the going. But the V-shaped recoveries after taking the previous day low are absolutely fine. It's just no.
And away we go. Well in Dean, well in Macanachi. Get your W's in the chat if you took the trade. TP3. GG.
About 4 signals and all good signals.
Yep, 4 signals. Let's just go through that. So we just had one there. Again, I was a bit more cautious because we won on 3, but still a winning signal, perfectly valid.
Lots of bullish volume on it as well.
Sell signal played out, sell signal played out, sell signal played out. That is a New York session to be proud of, guys. Right, and on that, now that we've had that signal that's come up, we're going to need some sort of pullback, and we're right looking at a Q and a daily. That's going to be me.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm going to call it a day on that, guys.
3 wins is good.
Thank you very much for joining me. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to the channel. Please just smash that like button. That really helps us to get it out there for the next ones. I will be back tomorrow. Much appreciated. Take care, guys. See you tomorrow. If you're in profit and you've took those 3-4 trades, stop trading. Yes, Pickles, I mean you. Stop trading. Enjoy. Take care, guys.